monsieur, eye na mezwale. Nane mano monsieur, eye na mezwale.
Yo, miapa nkola mi wa gbanti ma do izo na mi va pa Yimba TV. Pa նդI WƆNA pa goma je pa Tony McBoy. Enye a wo izo adom na mi. Egbe pa nwa ga ke mi da kona ma wo na mi mon popo ya ba nyo ha mi le agbagba do ma yo ayi ma lio ta mi gagre miapa ko na ma bale ke mi nyana mi jana ko ple nse do ma nyade inspirational or motivational message. The card economy of Mizonarango at Bonan Kenya Nyajojo, Nyajojo to Chuk, Chimapia Vonokataji, Nemitroa, Mizonarango, Bo Nyakau Nyatanjo, a Choi Kawai, Kakakai, Kawazuba, and Moi Jiza, Legana, Alawa, Lukunano Tuji, Asenya, Nafu Ganya, Mijona Nyaume. Atradie ikenya nso strong bla ngmajucho for wana opaji da enye Tony McBoy kamya bloga balke minya ne mije koma acherudo mi woni adwadu nyo ha mya ko mya so so kata so do mda e bon chucho kata na do bonyele +2332426707773G +2332426707773G. Yo ke ameke mianko sam Facebook ha ya don kujibe nya tem adem nya pe susu agronami le nya pe comment section le Facebook miawe kinye ka Ewenyigba TV mi ga TikTok ji ha Ewenyigba TV le YouTube ji ta fisha fi ka jamo na pomi le pa like follow subscribe share and do all that you need to do to support us. Yo akpana mi dem nya pe motivational segment me Ewenyigba TV le wotwe le ho Jim Fuga hostel nava ho technical university alo poly ine biabe no play va Jim Fuga hostel ko am shame ke lamto am kule o jeshimi nava nyakpere ngole a jodo nyama nyatem adebafano ana o nyo jame nele nyan ekuo kwejo kugbafa na ba ado mshami kana ba na do na sa na myo mi yo nko shirika ko kata sonko. All right, we go to the motivational segment of our show. Welcome all of you to this very cool happy morning from Ho, the capital of the Volta region where we're transmitting from. We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges. That's what someone said. We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges. As a rule of thumb, we are young, born young, and when we are young, we really are not responsible for the fights we face, the challenges we go through. We are not really responsible for anything because we are young and we have not grown. But when we grow, one of the signs of growth is challenge. And challenge means you are responsible for your battle. Challenge means you are responsible for conquest. Challenge means you are responsible for fighting and selling through. And that is what someone said. It's inspiring. So that should encourage you to fight your battles and face your fights and choose your fights wisely and make sure we're winning. Amare do susubo dare apology enya munyala egbo blomba machina na nwolo bokwe na mio na nwo jesesa jesho nyaba michichim na nwo sasam nyaba michichim ojimi nye ɖevi boni ta ame aɖe kpɔ mía dzi alo kpɔ mía ta. Me nye míawo ŋutɔ míaƒe dɔ wònye be alo míawo ŋutɔ míaƒe kuxi wònye be míakpe ɖe mía ɖokui ŋuti o elabena meɖo ɣeyiɣi ma yi ke míate ŋu awɔ naneke na mía ɖokuiwo. Gake ne va dze tsitsia, xexea me dzena tɔtrɔ, xexea me ƒe ʋeʋẽ trɔna, xexea me ƒe ŋuwo trɔna ɖe mí. Efia be míawo ŋutɔ míakpe avu kple xexea me. Míawo ŋutɔ míakpa kple xexea me awɔ avu ale be anye nuteƒewɔlawo. Eye nye dzesi be mí tsitsi. Ta ne ŋuwo sesẽm, kuxiwo dze vava, miato amewo, nyadzɔɖeamedziwo kple tɔwo dze vava, dzesi ko nye be mí tsitsi. Dzesi ko nye be mí ganye ɖeviwo. Ta ema megagbɔdzɔ o. Ema megagbɔdzɔ o koŋ. Naxɔe de me be ne miato amewo kple ŋukpeka amewo kple ŋusesẽwo wo dzɔdzɔm ɖe mía dzi esia yi koa, efiafiam be ɖevi tsitsi mí ma. Fia be Mawu gã ŋutɔ ataka ɖe mía dzi be míate ŋu awɔ míawo ŋutɔ míaƒe aʋawo aɖu dzi. Ta ŋusẽ ma ne ge ɖe me alo eya ne nye ŋusẽ tɔxɛ aɖe nɔ eya ne do fu, eya ne nana akpedede si be Mawu gã eli kpli mí ale be ele avua yi ke womemi le me kpli mí. Nenemae míadze egba ƒe wɔna gɔme. Yo míage ɖe míaƒe nyadzɔdzɔtɔtsowo me dzodzo me, míakpɔ nukawoe nye nyadzɔdzɔtɔtsoe aɖewo yiwo ke le míaƒe yaʋala dzi India. Míayi whoweday.com. whoweday.com. First story, the sheep in disguise. 3 men fall in Spain B. Sheep in disguise. 3 men fall in Spain B. Interesting. Oh no, toji anya sagefia. No, tata kpombe o TV ajia. Yenye ngbanto nyajo ngbanto ike le miaƒe yaʋalɔdzi India. Wo le Nigeria vi ŋutsuvi wɔme 3 ɖo. Elabe wo ɖokui abe alẽ. Wodɔ le wu ale be wo le alẽwo tome. Wonɔ gbagba dzem be yewoa tso de tso Algeria yi ɖe Spain. Enye modzaka ɖeɖe nyadzɔdzɔ gbãtɔ ke le mia gbɔ fia. Former health minister faces possible prosecution elafia. Dziru dɔmega yi ke kpɔna miaƒe lãmesenyawo dzi le Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ƒe dziɖuɖui ke va yi me ƒe ŋkɔ dzedzem le yaʋalawo dzi India ɖe asibublu ɖe game ƒe nya ɖeka va ɖo yi ke dzi so mi nyama kpɔ gena. Baba Jamal's first day ends in slumber. Baba Jamal ƒe nɔnɔmetata ma kpɔ mi le afi ma. Tsɔ nye ŋkeke gbãtɔ ke Baba Jamal yi ɖe Parliament. Ke Baba Jamal yi Parliament a eva dɔnɔ kɔnɛsɔn ko va dɔn alo le akpa ɖe dɔnɔ ʋu ta ehã nye nya le miaƒe yaʋalɔdzi. Of course, etsɔe Abambagbe has sworn in Baba Jamal, so congratulations to him. This thing got people talking. Loco, naba mumfungo Baba Jamal keke banto naba parana naba lo domaraka. All right. Anya bogo na fia atem la to versus sumana maro to jigbona maro. Boy 11 found dead with body parts harvested. No tata akpomi la fuma enye nchuviare ike wo alebe wo de penchim gbefion. Ta makpɔmi le afi ma. Ke fuel crisis deepens as OMC cite port challenges. Míaƒe amidzraɖo ko gbɔgblɔm be yewo kuxi aɖewo metom elabe ne yewo yi be yewoɖe agba le Melijepa yo mata agbaremu de mata amivo le yoshi amivo le yoshi ye hanye enya jojo tochi odomato deka ta nama ni right can me I get the details man we'll just see what are some details we have here. Don't give first story ma lead story ma miachoko ba ya nyenye popolo irema Nigeria bioma ton do bo ojaba babe yo chu Mediterranean Sea albe yo ide Europa du kom o dokyo aba anlawene ke jogbevoito alwenyito e ke degistrafo okpo anawe okpo anado ochuchum de afovaji hezozom anado chuchuna afovaji zozom do hapo mu na ma di yalo o jeje malolo makata ma di yalo ye oto alaba o dan tunyam o ka o makbo o pe de yesi o amagboto we nya yo kenya Nigeria view o we nya gbagba jamba yo agere Spain alo Europe du koma Europe pa du kota popo ma i ka onye Nigeria to anya anyare kenya anya ka wa mofu ncho echala wewe henya hodronya hodonya nyangbe na nya ne Africa du kokata enye nya gbanto ikelefuma ta Nigeria bio baba na amoba yode mafa musa samna yo yeta yo miaro manya khrom nya makhlake vilako. In a bizarre attempt to enter Spain, 3 men were arrested in Algeria after disguising themselves as sheep in a livestock truck. The unusual incident had sparked widespread attention and raised questions about the desperation of migrants seeking a better life. So the men, reportedly from Nigeria, were discovered during a routine inspection at the border. Border officials noticed irregular behavior among the flock, with some sheep walking upright in 2 legs, prompting a closer examination of the vehicle. The suspects had already allegedly worn full sheep costumes to blend in with the animals, but their plan quickly unraveled. Authorities found the 3 men hiding among the livestock and took them into custody. The incident highlights the risks of challenges faced by migrants attempting to enter into Europe. Many are forced to resort to extreme measures in search of better life, often with tragic consequences. And the 3 men are facing charges of immigration fraud and may also be accused of disturbing the livestock. Officials have warned about the dangers of irregular migration routes and the consequences of such actions. Da Nigeria bi yomoton do wowe ma wolele Algeria o baba jambu o le enyi kopuma alebe wa enye abuye kama elan le fun alo son inovama ake kolo jomo yo ke nyi kopuma yema ono ke jogbeveto olo. All right, Baba Jamal's first day ends in slumber. Baba Jamal put on that Jama fan a surprising turn of events. The newly elected MP for Ayawaso East, Baba Jamal, was caught sleeping on his first day in Parliament shortly after his swearing-in ceremony. The incident has sparked widespread reaction, with many expressing surprise and disappointment. The MP's nap was brief, but it was enough to raise eyebrows among his colleagues and observers in the chamber. Eyewitnesses described the scene as unusual and embarrassing for the new MP. Reason behind Baba Jamal's sudden slumber unclear, but some have speculated that the rigors of the election campaign and the excitement of being sworn in may have taken their toll. Others have questioned his preparedness for the demands of the parliamentary work. The incident also has raised questions about the MP's ability to effectively represent his constituency. And on Baba Jamal, Baba Jamal Penya, holiday.com. Yeah, story of a mommy quiet. Those are just on the lighter side. ya miatwe ya kokore ma kwe baba jamali kenye aya also istop MPA ye iko chanchonchonchoncho ya kwa enya ma pire kwa along right down the parliament cho ikawai and people talking a lot about this Baba Jamal snap. And that's interesting. Okay, so we're moving away from that to some real serious issues. The former Minister of Health is in trouble. Former Minister of Health is in trouble. And audit report, Makuku, Gakonta, Majolo, Funkura, Affordado, Ike, Jila Jirudu, Ikeva, Ifangoni, and Yo, Vazu, former health minister under the Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo regime, former health minister Ika no Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Onchi Ika Wodola COVID Molimokata Eha Vankova ke Omblani be Obum Nazabe Blashred to Game Vevian Legwe Dayata Minkudege Nyamama Kira Kudon Kujo Bengba TV Enya Nya Vankwa Nano Dem Ajerama ha Jideka plus 2 history 242670773 in your number Kazaka Nala. Former health minister faces COVID-19 fund scandal. Former minister faces COVID-19 fund scandal. Former health minister Kwekwaji Manu is set to face criminal charges over the alleged mismanagement of COVID-19 funds. Government Communications Minister Felix Kwakye-Ofosu has announced the move is part of the government's ongoing efforts to hold public officials accountable for their actions. Kweku Ofosu stated that the Attorney General's office has assessed the evidence and identified cases warranting legal action. Security agencies have begun questioning suspects, and the Attorney General will not hesitate to take cases to court unless there is strong evidence of wrongdoing. The alleged mismanagement of COVID-19 funds has been a contentious issue in Ghana, with many calling for accountability and transparency. Kwakye-Ofosu emphasized that the government remains committed to holding public officials accountable for their actions. And Kwakye-Ofosu's announcement comes amid ongoing investigations into various corruption cases, including the National Service Scheme scandal and the SkyTrain project. The government has vowed to pursue justice and ensure that those responsible for financial irregularities face the consequences of their actions. All right, so Miapa Nyasalam. Kweku Ajimamenu, Kenya Dodoma Gaika Pona Yapala Masanyaoji, Eka COVID-19 Vala Ghana, Epa Nonomatata, Yemajachem, Ubi Nasaba, Poshra Dugama, a 150 Alaka, Alaba Gayo Kavanya COVID-19 Fana, Gakabi Globo do Eko, Dadibo, Ojo Gadama, America, America. Letu komenchi de COVID da pour blanchir de gamme via le bobo Felix Ofosu kwachi que tu toma que kwananya ndenchi ediglo be majijua your public oil bomb. All right, fuel crisis deepens as OMC cite for challenges. A widespread fuel shortage has gripped the nation, with several oil marketing companies reporting operational challenges as the ports as the primary cause. The development has led to long queues at various service stations, leaving motorists frustrated and concerned about the impact on their daily lives. And according to City newsroom report yesterday, the shortage is attributed to difficulties in clearing fuel shipments at the port, a situation that has been exacerbated by what industry insiders describe as unprecedented delays. The delays have resulted in a significant backlog of vessels waiting to be unloaded, further straining the supply chain. So that's that. Star auto where Domaga Pumcho Blombe, Amio Domino Beta, Miomoto Yoboron Kawakabala, Namio Varo, Portalo, Melijepa, Omashidam, and China, you ta. Irakwa na Yomakasa sesege ami nya bona sesege to come. All right, me ayi de ya mi apa newspaper so me akpo newspaper nya jojo ba no do me akpo le Ewenyigba TV. Ewenyigba TV nya te fe ke na no ndi shanti ano toji na nya jojo to nko nya jojo to tio nya jojo gbagbo yo kenye nya te fe ta na ide Ewenyigba TV ji le Facebook akpo all the front pages so le fuma akpo all the front pages so le fuma. All right, so that's that. Mia zorango out of mia akpo nukawe le mia newspapers of India. So the new crusading guide, the new crusading guide, the new crusading guide. Strengthening the state, COP Razak Osman's expanding security footprint. All right, so there's something about that. COP Razak Osman, Penyala Fuma, you can get the new crusading guide, read on that. Akufo-Addo leads AU poll observer mission in Congo. Okay, me Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Kono Tatakwa Fuma, Nkom, ңDI Jom Alagwe, Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Lengone, Africa. Du côté beaucoup ha bobo nte fa kpola oba ide Congo o ina de Congo akpo akoda da yike jigela Congo ta na do dankwa Akufo-Addo ye o so to ma dashina bo onyan kono la ne nte fa kpola e chu Africa du côté beaucoup do mahina de Congo. DVLA tightens vehicle registration system, arrest fake number plate syndicate makbo nikwe kono tatale fia enye DVLA tutomaga ka kpona license ho na bukuku bla fufu nomba ho ji ka goblomba yo bla ligire ameoka fu nomba plate payo zam aplo fu mega aba ajokana jirugo unto na cho bi taye goro boy so boko acho no ma plate ade kanya ma ubu areto acho dara wajana ko unto go huyo ko pamolo ko mo pleto yo la mala gbeta attention na pomi mashame ke fake number plate zam o la ganki ma ubo ganki fake number plate zam yo katalem. Unlike NDC, MPP will oppose, not obstruct in opposition as Santiman Koka. Unlike NDC, MPP will oppose, not obstruct in opposition. Asantimai Koka. Well, no, Tata Jimafia Blomber, you are more like NDC toy a duplo. Prince Afimono show. By you, your MPP toy, yoka yole, Apomaro do. Bronsa girl, you pashima, yo, declami bachida ke pela jidua alawa fidana do chuma yoma jidua pa afo hagara magba o abale kan disito we no. All right, BOJ reveals post debt recovery strategy, says economy rebounding after turbulent 2024. BOJ reveals post debt recovery strategy, says economy rebounding after turbulent 2024. Makbo Johnson is young for Notatafia. Johnson is our plumber. You can quota gajarofa for na quota gajarofa for Nola, but plumber Ghana do call a budget bomb. I mean, for Gagnon, how on Elab Fifia do Congo in La Gagnon. A poekavai, a poekavai in 2024. Come, I'm there. You can another Dankwa Akufo-Addo no Shichipanya Bomole. Anya po kama de miajila ganya o makongo akafifia mi potanya mi apo fo mi do fogba play me o mi apo toko muka kan me pepe. APL files right to information at over gold board divestment. Okay, APL do pare ke be adanku gold board alo jirupo do ke kona shika pepe aja chanchila Ghana be ale ko chofa ga ko wana bubu modem yojibi osagoma leko cho shika do fefe fidia kono bubu modem ha abasoka pleto mo abale mi sesen fufufu ene yojibi odem kuma no na yo leketu to zagawe ta mila toji na ndoro bako nyana mianya. All right, the custodian a custodian. I'll contest Ashanti Region Chairmanship position. Ashantiman Koka declares. Yo, Ashantiman Koka, per no tata gaji mafia. Ashantiman Koka. Ashantiman Koka. Odini hu apia. Iko ina ba Koka. Kweku odini hu apia. Amanto ton kwenye kweku odini hu apia. Ima kwa la gbano tadera. Egbo blombe elibi azu. Jima nola ne NPP dunya. Heha la Ashantin tome. Ye no no matata machechi mafuma. All right. Dr. Johnson, Asiama Bioji Governor, Bioji outlines economic recovery and policy actions to Parliament. Bioji outlines economic recovery and policy actions to Parliament. Quota Gajaro Fofon Nolaga, Dr. Johnson, Asiama, Emaka Jama Pmago Plumber, Aida do South Akbaham, Dudodo, Gah. Jikpododo gajikpododo ikana be dukofa ganyo nakpo bojo alobe duanazo chidu alo tufa ganyo naga yirango yema ta the parliament alobe miyo ko la fi mia fa ganyo na aga yirango adam boglom now. All right, tensions mount in NDC as angry party supporters cry over no jobs and failed oral promises. Tensions mount in NDC as angry party supporters cry over no jobs and failed oral promises. Yo, me Johnson ase du nketia ko no matata ko mafia ga John Dramani Mahama ko no matata ko wowe nye ba NDC wo simono la gan blem no la ase du nketia bele du kokolo John Dramani Mahama. What have you can MPP NDC MPP manola you can yam blow akodala America dona chobo afi to ko blola ba hojia America ta choro pisabo o le mi pokopoji presiriki autokan o vesam rabo glomba adomala du komo ala be ka jiru don't have operation recover all routes yo gbagba jege akho gasha gaike nye du gaike amofia yo ta pom ne yo ma dokpom no yo wo ngbe ko dona yo ba me ko lotu ka ko ire beta du ko ma glegede yo potane ma ta ko na nyara ko so who yini inspects road projects in Tamale so who yini inspects road projects in Tamale da so who yini hanya sauta ko ha mai la ko to ma ka le Tamalin Tom alo di akpo mokau dom jiru al Tamalin Tom ha le ji asenya mama na jita custodian. Gold war upon Nkrumah tackles BOG over 1.3 billion loss. Gold war upon Nkrumah tackles BOG over 1.3 billion loss. All right, me upon Nkrumah no matata kwa mafia nya du domaga ka pon le NPP tom le South Africa ma ko plombe Shika ahunya keji malo declamia de kejim le shika do pa yoga zazanchi na ba Nkrumah gbogbombe yoji ose ga 1.3 billion dollar yikanye bagbaruri keji le global do fa yoji ose goma ano dompre urges Ghana to criminalize ecocide ano dompre urges Ghana to criminalize ecocide. Another prepare no tata jejem afia ke another pre ejenya gbogrocho chova no esse alaba esse na chachitre ecocide nchi nkenye ecocide nye miapa togbo miapa destruction of the environment, ecosystem. Da another break nshanwe ka mara weke agle mi apachio avo to ma obojojo na yo kala nyi gbaja fi ba nshanwe ke gbatora awo ikaglem le mi apa jojo na kala anyi gbaji afi mi gbato mi ba choro ifanya gbomo obo ma obo achakwa no koku kakali na do kakali do le to hu yen kaka mamna ke ka dangwa wo gbeto ye gbeto bo ma won sham nyu gbeto fon e ko msham le tebe le tebe ye obo ma wo mi nya buja nyi ba ta msham ke ma wo kakali na do cha no fufu chafu na do msham ke ma wo afi gbeto wa do bo ncho he le ka dangba ne le do mako enye ecocide. So destroying of the environment. Another problem no was sasa ike wata kola ama ko bito ka lam aha me ko ma tama mo na ma de gble mi ap jojo ma na ka ma woda ma cha fi ba cho. All right, let's go to the source. The source. Ewenyigba TV for ǹDI WỌNA regime. Lebe akpo na jojo gba lo ko ma jo mi la o kata o le Ewenyigba TV ji le Facebook na ide Ewenyigba TV yo poko go nya jojo kata le fuma mi ko kata dere fuma atak mo mi la TikTok ji ha bu mi kata o jo mi kata ma jo mi le mi o fu na o fu kuti afle na ho da na re TikTok ji amo mi anko sam YouTube ji ha na mi ko le Facebook nya pon live you know what talk about TV ajia aji mi adoje clean. Go to the comment section, make a comment, like, share, comment, and we are making your custom ha the Kokwa Shapa +233 242670773 and your number again at the one +233 242670773 and your number again as the source. Auctioning PBC is auctioning Ghana's cocoa legacy. Auctioning PBC is auctioning Ghana's cocoa legacy. Amarang lo susu. Odara ya biology, the source. Na jojo bano ye. Lagi. Abo blombe. Ama blombe bo jiru po do pe kuna be PBC Produced Buying Company. Ika kwana cocoa po plecho cocoa bedela bo ple o si chacha ji no chwe project oba e do kushi si shala ela bo do pa me vide pomo ma ga poma ko flo cocoa ma ga poma ko ko fna yo fo to beto ta jidu do po e kenya PBC ke fla cocoa cocoa bla bedela bo no je do pa na do kushi ma wo enye Ghana po kashinom jajra ashik pokpon to ke kakaji na o ba jiru do bara kama ka ga kpomo jiru do bara kama ka fide kpomo jiru do fa toyi ta do kwishi mon ba plo do ko ke o ganya yi tori Ghana po kashinom Ghana po dumani e ma choko to kuma dem na America varoi elef mana wajina kan APL demands full disclosure on BOG code asset sale. SkyTrain case. AG witness accused of peddling untruths. SkyTrain for Epinya, you go to the one AG witness, Attorney General Kenya Jirudu, for lawyer Gan. And that's a four AG witness accused of peddling untruths in the Sky train case. Makano Tatama Kofi Bon Yele Ike nye adase four na Attorney General Jiru Domaga Kona Jiru Kosanya Laga. Ike gadora na povito yo ha me ya bon opo adase fo bon yele over Makuvaji court banegli the source. All right, upon Nkrumah tackles BOG over 1.3 billion gold sellers. Big story le fia mo upon Nkrumah pono tata Dr. Shama pono tata ha ida kwa still upon Nkrumah pono tata. Okay, let's read this a little bit. A fresh controversy has erupted over Ghana's reserve management strategy after Kojo Nkrumah, the minority member of parliament for Afosia Yorubi, and ranking member on the Parliamentary Committee on Economy and Development, criticized the Bank of Ghana over its decision to sell part of the country's gold reserves. His comments followed a briefing by the Governor of the Bank of Ghana, Dr. Johnson Pandit Isiama, who appeared before the committee on Monday to explain the central bank's monetary policy actions. Gale so takpe ha ƒe takpekpe tɔxɛ ke kpɔna Ghana ƒe ganya kple ŋgɔ nyawo dzi. Eyɔe bi ofosɔatsetɔwo ƒe so takpe ha me. Dɔmɔ gaga yi ke le ƒo ta gadzraɖoƒe ŋuti. Yi ɖe kɔ nyi gblɔm le nye be ale ke woze Ghana wo ga. Ghana wo shika yi ke wokɔ da ɖe Ghana wo kevi me. Wonye shikawo da ɖi be ne ŋu va sese ne dukɔ wotrɔ zu ga. Ale yi ke ko dziɖu yeyeawo va shika yawo dzram kple tɔxɛ mese mo. Bandit ne va ɖe gɔme. No to dzi ne ƒo ganyi. Menya ko gaɖo ŋkume ne míaƒe nyamedzɔɖɔ ale be woaɖo ƒe susuwo agblɔ nam. All right, farmers can't find buyers for cocoa at reduced price. NPP. Farmers can't find buyers for cocoa at reduced price. NPP. Everything got cocoa bled the laro of my cocoa molocran by mam chechem le TV Jimmy Popon la Panam. Over Blomber cocoa by the log of Blomber, your matan. I'm more apple cocoa. I said if you vase de fifia mama pon wa pro cocoa. Abo ho chu cocoa fa ashigi de. Ayo dashi aji potokore moroko ojire kado ojire agbanjo obo. Vase de fifia still cocoa flela molina yo cocoa. Bad story there. MPP story bonya won shot that man. All right, daily graphic. Daily graphic. Let's go into the daily graphic. Big story here. Audit sports 21 billion fraud on state coffers. Government targets culprits for prosecution. Audit spots 21 billion Ghana cedi fraud on state coffers. Government targets culprits for prosecution. I read that a little bit. This is a story by Kesta Oram Crunchy, and the special audit into Ghana's unpaid debts has uncovered 21.35 billion Ghana cedi suspicious, duplicated, and fictitious claims on state coffers, compelling a government pledge to prosecute all individuals involved in what it terms a systemic plunder of public purse. The amount is made up of 8.1 billion Ghana cedi outright rejection and 13.26 billion Ghana cedi that must be justified before payments can be made. All right, we continue on page 3, the continuation of page 3 of the daily graphic. Thomas Nyako Amping from Kenya, Deputy Finance Minister Thomas Nyako Amping. Kenya, the Domagaka Kwana to a Ganya for Parento G. The Takasarato Force for Parento. Ikan konye Thomas Nyako Amping wo Blomber. 21 billion Ghana cedi nye gabu bore Kenya gabu. Amaro ko ba blona jiwa bo odo ala ko contractor ko poche du gama ko go ben. Ko magao la jiru ke ba ina. Ta yo ga gere nya ma momo ko. Thomas Amping yegbonia. All right. Spillover of Boku conflict. 23 arrested over Galamsey in Odan River Forest Reserve. Spillover of Boku conflict. 23 arrested over Galamsey in Odan River Forest Reserve. All right, so we have all the lamb of blab of tunnel. Although Odo River lo Odo to fue Odo to kple ife avewo me. Odo River Forest Reserve. Efia ba ave tsua ɖe li yi ke le Odo River ŋuti yi ke me medze be woku galamsey ɖo gake ame ma se to ŋu ame gble ku ame dzaga ame bla eve tɔ̃ ɖo gava galamsey kum. Wolo dismantle barriers to women's interest development. Professor Ewenyigba. Dismantle barriers to women's interest development. Professor Ewenyigba. Professor Ewenyigba agbo yiwo tu le nyɔnuwo ƒe ŋgɔ yi kple nyɔnuwo ƒe dzimedzidziwo ŋuti le dukɔ me no ba gudugudu abe nyɔnu nakpɔ mɔ wozu ŋgɔgbe yi la kaba ŋutɔ. Professor Ewenyigba egblɔ nya. Unilever Ghana partners GHS to expand oral healthcare. Unilever Ghana partners Ghana Health Service to expand oral healthcare. Unilever Unilever dokushi sicha do ƒe gã aɖe yi ke le giafia le tema. Wo ɖeka kpakple Ghana Health Service dziɖuƒe dɔwɔƒe ke kpɔna míaƒe lãmesenyawo dzi kple sube wo akpe ɖe amewo ŋuti ne woƒe ŋume woklo ŋumenu kple wokpɔ woƒe ŋume le ɖe dzi aɖugbagba tome dɔlɔ le mɔ katã wo kpota no. All right, medzi ma nye nu yi ke ta nye me paper kpɔm le screen dzi. Searchlight. Daily Searchlight. Me the Daily Searchlight. Daily Searchlight. Daily Searchlight. Ma here the paper the screen aja. Me Daily Searchlight. Transporters swindled Ghana out of billions in 2024. Explosive national audit uncovers vast financial impropriety in agricultural relief logistics contract finance ministry. Oh, Daily Searchlight. Transporters swindled Ghana out of billions in 2024. Exclusive national audit uncovers vast financial impropriety in agricultural relief logistics contract. Finance ministry nye do do ko ke fona mi afa ganya oji gbogbombe. Yo ba makuku accountant makuku ike yi do peji we amaro gaba ko contract be yo lo bleme nkwaro acho ina Ghana do kon te faro kam ga ko contract be yo lo ableme nkuyo acho kon bledela you see agricultural relief logistics. Abe fertilizer kple tomo cho mana gbedela o no cho dak blebe tomo ga to na ba mi amoro ko lo ga o ma o to ta yo gegere nya mama. NPP to introduce online platform to strengthen ongoing membership registration. All right, mako Justin Kodia kono tata ma jijan gba la kona mo le tia be le yamara. Justin Kodia kenye bala jigla Ghana NPP bo blombe sisia. Funji mo kwaja zaga yo le fiane yo ko hamevi obe oko hamevi magbede gban kana jibi agere MPP ma funji ko na gagara male no picha nya la so na to picha korura yo na nglonko leto jigbeza mo ka majiji ko ngba ba go funji ka fianje banaji azu patia moto mo bafi no bona da se dig bana choga da sino alokadi da sino magbenyama Baba Jamal sworn in as I also in his MP. So Baba Jamal back from Tatafuma. Congratulations, Baba Jamal. Traffic road collision claims lives of 2 officers from Ghana Police Service in Eastern Region. All right. Bobito Moboku le Japan Tom Eastern Region da Nyokbo afoku ola moto ji okada semija afoku. Minority rejects government debt narrative and insists National Health Insurance Authority inherited financial surplus. Minority rejects government debt narrative and insists National Health Insurance Authority inherited financial surplus. All right, MPP told South Takwe Hamo Kumbe, Nyamagblom, Jiduru Domagal of National Health Insurance Authority. Kenya Juru Dope Kwana Fonji from Aheji, La Former, Alodwa Bafia, Yovang Mavifie, Tayo Choga Bobo Border NHIA. Ikene Juru Dope Kwana Konji from Ahibo, a Galoshiza, Afia Yojo, Jajita, make more Gamma Dopashu. All right, make a Lefuma, over ranking member on health. Yema. All right, sir, Miakbo Pepa Bubura. Abenga TV fan Diona, Tony McBoy, Enyang from Metrolens. Me Metrolens, Kawa, me Metrolens. Danger on wheels, Chevy ISD van heavily one. Danger on wheels, Chevy ISD van heavily one. Tailgate hanging, red lights missing. Rare screen displays with wood. Okay. Information Services Department of Warma Family TV. Nya jojo man ton to la gbana o pa sheke ji ka gbana wa pa fuma ko mi fuma buaro gate ya kala magba ma anyingba tem cardiolo magba na bua odora magba glass Melio, Ochochi, Chow Glass, Information Services Department, the dog wake up on a father there, the Yapon Tumor. When, Mr. Bafada de Ara, Echo, or no, one of the song on Funko, Bafada de now the Dimo, and we cha, Buemas or some Eastern region. Now, the Kermel of Wakaka, Information Services Department, like Chebile Eastern region, danger on wheels, danger afokula 4G, Popuyema, Metro Lines, first page, Information Service Department, Driver Bumakum, onye du door for Yikapanak Bafara Reponyaji Maklin Pileko. An Information Services Department pickup bearing registration number GV477Y has sparked safety concerns in Chibi for operating a visibly dilapidated condition for years. The vehicle used to broadcast community notices and public education messages shows extensive body damage, a bent and hanging tailgate, damaged or missing rear lights, and improved repairs that include wooden and metal patching on the rear window area. Residents say the van's loudspeakers remain in use, but they are alarmed that such a visibly discrepant vehicle continues to operate on the roads. Yeah, ma bang bang ba. Ewo bu apadumlo mopomwa elekwatame ano padum wan no chachanto ma ano bapadem ano fiama mo gato bagata magba alacha jiru kwedo opiema birangmara all right, 5 arrested over fake DV plates. Okay, miga DV le topo domaga koma fia ayi kwema Jacob ole amomaton be ocho payo number plate code that upobuoji. All right, Ghana Link refutes linking items to fuel instructions. Biologist. Bohin Edu rejects Cocoa Board household items offer. Bohin Edu rejects Cocoa Board household items offer. Bohin Edu. Kono tatamala fuma Joseph Bohin Edu ikanya Chief Executive Bueno, tatama kuma gurumbo nena yo leto ya nyamala mo. Maybe I said one about diligence. All right, Dr. Sama Pono Tatagalafia, BOG Governor defines gold reserve policy. Okay, obey habame Dr. Shan Glombe Alec, Yosa, your elected, they are defending that we'll discuss this one. Yema, Ubawi na Bawi, Ubawi na Bame, Uba, Chicago, now doses of first day parliament. And be strong, don't sleep. All right, and don't pray pushes for McDan Aviation may lose private jet terminal. Fika Magdan kwa mkujo na ro ojibo kwa chone Ibrahim Mahama na John Dramani Mahama the Supreme Newspaper Magdan Aviation may lose private jet terminal to Ibrahim Mahama Hamid Sab. I can verify that. Scores of youth endorse Nanabi as MPP Vice Chairman. Touts his experience. Okay, Nanabi for no tata jajamapia. Ogo so he gado le MPP me. Ogo blomba Nanabi na baso yo kana kataglu kutu kwa shimano lo kantok banto kana Nanabi ha different for the family, which is Foundation's authority over alleged land grabbing in main person. Sanshi Puma, the GBP Blonne, the Doku Ponope, Peru, one OG, Alava, over Pani Bofimle, in person leke. Strengthening the state, Siopi Razak, Osman's expanding security footprint. Ongo bana rekoka fu COP. Bobi to domaga Commissioner of Police Razak Osman. All right, BOG details post debt crisis recovery says economy rebounding after turbulent 2024. All right, this yama galifia akuongcho the parliament abocho dua ko gawo nyonyola marakwa. All right. Calls for inquiry mount. APL questions coherence of POG's goal policy. Still, older money. Ishama been going. I'm a member of Pine. You be on Yaleke, Nyon, Chicago, Sami, Alabama. All right, the Daily Statesman, a quick one. Daily Statesman. Mpara kutumini tato ganyina phone, na ganyi phone don't you share Hogami get the fara from your TV or book. Nama trova miagara nyama jujuma don't put on my brain from your father road of Sunu Wachonachi. Let me check a nyama kuku. The Daily Statesman. Upon Nkrumah takes on BOG, over 1.3 billion loss claim is still here. Diaspora wings must help rebuild MPP for victory 2028. Pep Prem is still here. Who bought Ghana's gold? APL 620 categories of information under Right to Information Act over BOG 2025 divestment, and Akufo-Addo to lead AU election observation mission to Kogu. Interesting. Newspaper so me jagbaro nana do dan kwa Akufo-Addo your opposition. Afi me o picture pampa yo call that amre ya follow me. Oh wow. Interesting newspapers. Republic Press, NDC foot soldiers revolt. NDC foot soldiers revolt. Angry with the NDC, grassroots angry with the NDC. Republic Press, but NDC, Mevio, Doji, Chikudona Jiru, and Chikudona Party, and Chalabwe. Slam leadership over neglect, gold board, World Cup slots. Da over gold board, Blair World Cup, where Nyayo, you care for 400 times. Yamama Jogana for Ganyu no Toji. So this content is rising within sections of the National Democratic Congress, grassroots, with some party foot soldiers expressing frustration over perceived marginalization in recent recruitment exercises and high-profile partnership controversies. All right, how about gold board where you garo to then World Bank in World Cup mo inya Mr. Sports komota on ko don chucha gboko ni o nya mi bran gon rege ta NDC to foot soldiers yo omoji upon the party and GIS Bass Nigerian Fraud Syndicate rescues 73 abuse victims is also here. Ashaiman landlords and caretakers accept sex as rent. Hey, Obachawan Toma, a Hohai, Lao, Aqueto, American Apollo, High, oh, no Hayafa, no, natural Pubio, Yadu Moko, go Rashin Cho for offer to my Hitania Yong, and Rashio Kunchina, or Puerto Zanko, Mother offer to Rashio. Ashaiman landlords and caretakers accept sex as rent. Serious. So Ghana ready for first female president, Reverend Joyce I in Halafia. Ghana ready for first president, Joyce I. Joyce I I don't know. I cover Ghana is going to soon have first female president, Joyce I. All right. The informer Anita De Sosos speaks for neglected party loyalists. Malcolm Care supporters medical trust fund with 500,000 Ghana cedis towards accountable governance. Kufo pushes for strict separation of powers. Call of strike government appeals to close act. ECG cable thieves. Now, China V, China V, I'll confirm them. All China V, Nigeria V, America ECG cable of him. Close act Boblomba, Europe, Mashawana Troy about local civil government, local government workers, you know. This is so from the party loyalists on Chuba, Nokojibore, Nigeria. All right, Akufo Bolomba, hey, Parliament Rokishi, President Rokishi, out of judiciary hand and Rokishi. The Ghanaian publisher Comac exposes Star Oil Goil over fuel supply disruption. All right, is they can go with the minority rejects NHI's death claims. NDC full soldiers angry over recruitment process. Akufo-Addo to lead AU election team to Congo. Whole board women have valor and the need for bold leadership. Those are the things we have there on the publisher. They are simply similar stories. Daily Guide, Bogomba. Upon Nkrumah takes on BOG, over 1.3 billion loss. Upon Nkrumah is trending. Unilever partner to expand oral health education. Okay. The Unilever's first story, Alboglombe, is a partnership with Ghana Health Service to enhance oral education. Unilever to just Ghana Health Service to Papajambo of Yam to Miako the general. All right, so that's it. Minority raises alarm over mining royalty law. Want to me to know fate by Manchester. For Jimmy, I'm going to me. I have nya wo chore nje nya de lema ro nya de kemalamo no nya chore mo nya ba o now nya ba nya de lema, then he has to open his defense. It means it's not too good for one to me. All right, that on the March 16th amenya ba one to me nya de engoy gal mangoy. Okay, NPA extortion case, OSP converts accusing to witness. All right, OSP onye no matata ka mafia oba mare o choba nyangweglola ye ha yo ga bo ga batrobo na banya da sefo ameko to shiji we nyangweglola ye bo ga batrobo na so da sefo. So how did they do that? Okay, publisher. Alama banye fiafi. Kumya radio bo kana bana da sifona yo ala ba long banka ye bla alonka. All right, so get the paper. Publisher. Baba Jamal's first day in Parliament. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Baba Jamal no tata magala fuma ala loma. Over a picture is worth 1,000 words. Na kuno tata ko to asa ko no rokyo. Baba Jamal ma ameke daga ka baga Parliament. Yema. Golden Defiance, Ghana snubs US, China warnings. Golden Defiance, Ghana snubs US, China. Well, understand that Gaka over Ghana, to US, China, Ghana snubs US and China. That Ghana Halashin China play US. Or not sure dome. All right, 93 Yahoo boys busted with 73 tortured victims. Down. All fungi fiafioma bla shake voton ro olo alo o American o no gaole 73 ama bla andre votoro pro olo o makum fio chogaya mi saga Akufo-Addo Galafia still Akufo-Addo is also trending today. All right, the Chronicle, last one, Chronicle. Nana leads AU election observation mission to Congo. Nana is still here. Africa Policy Lens demands full disclosure of BFG gold divestment. Okay, APL, Africa Policy Lens, APL, Africa Policy Lens, Africa Karago do Bloro Makuha, Denku Bioji for ﷺ WƆNA. That's it, Africa Policy Lens. All right, Con mad over sale of Ghana's gold reserve. Kojo upon Nkrumah Tata Galefia. And he's not happy. Jima Jomo Alabe o Ghana for Shikao Jam. Then Denchira non fiaga Denchirahima ni nawu sohini fight over Aqua Busoland. All right. Chronicle Wunaipa Nyang Maunya Chronicle 2 Samuel 2:16-17. Each one of them seized his opponent by the head and thrust his sword in his opponent's side. So they fell down together. Interesting. Chronicle Wunaipa Nyajojon with a satire, alo Maunya Pipiade, Koko satirize na loko kona. Mbebulo Kajim to come. Le Samuel Pagbane. Veliata ba pipi via de wandrama aba amokata ocho lamu alokuma he ko to no nyo o mava ka o ama pakleva he de la amatola klam me tumrata o jani de ono nyo ha o ha ku ejim kojo ponkruma esiama kojo ponkruma esiama APL esiama Africa Policy Lens. That's what's going on. I don't know, they well done me. All right, let's go for a break. Mahodo Machuchuki, I remember Trova, Nya Zorango.
The Konakbanya Moda, Menye de Mefioyo, Ayaye Bomlo. Ayaye Bomlo, the Konakbanya Moda, Menye de Mechio, Ayaye Womlo, Ayakwe Womlo, Ameda Evi, Nechena Holo Ode. Ameda Evi, Nechena Holo Ode. monsieur, ayez na me soile. Ame mano monsieur, ayez na me soile. Me fio yo ayaye bomlo ayaye bomlo de kona panya moda menye de me fio ayaye womlo ayakwe womlo Amenda evi, Mejena holode. Amenda evi, Mejena holode. Monsieur, ayez na me soile. Nane mano monsieur, ayez na me soile. Akpanya moda menye de me fio yo ayaye bomlo ayaye bomlo de kon akpanya moda menye de me chio ayaye womlo ayakwe womlo amenda evi Mejena holode amenda evi Mejena holode Mano a monsieur, ayez na me soile. panye moda menye de mefion yo ayaye bomlo ayaye bomlo de kona panye moda menye de mechio ayaye womlo ayakwe womlo ameda evi mechena holo ode ameda evi mechena holo ode mano amesie eye na meswale nane mano amesie eye na meswale
Yo, miape nkpolo enwojim le miape dukome vovovo ke midio mia anjem toto do ɖeka miape dunya he ƒe badzi enye enye nusrɔ̃ ƒe mikuna nyawo me migena nyawo me ale be misena miwo ke dzi gake hafi miage ɖe nyawo ŋutɔŋutɔ do miadze gɔ̃ tso baba dzama dzi nɔnɔmetata kpɔm miawo TV-wo dzia onye nɔnɔmetata ke va ɖo miagbɔ tso parliament ke direkoa Right Honorable Kingsford Sumana Bagbe yi ke nye Speaker of Parliament alo zimenɔla alo ŋunɔla ne sɔtakpeha katã le Ghana ede atam kae asi ne Baba Jamal yi ke nye ayaso East of MPA Baba Jamal nyamare ke nye Ghana ƒe ambassador ne Nigeria kɔsida ʋe aɖo ye ko ɖe asi ŋuti la ƒe egbɔ va ƒe be yava ahe dunya ta His Excellency Baba Jamal was Honorable Baba Jamal ke o da kɔ eɖu dzi ɖe NDC ame alo yi ho biblia me eɖu dzi hã yo nɔnɔmetata ma kpɔm mi le fi ma ke etsɔe ke va yia Kingsford Sumana Bagbe xɔe deme ale be wona wo katã one dzi hã as a member of parliament ke ni va kpɔ de dzi be yo nya wɔrɔrɔ nya swear in as a parliamentarian ko va dze ŋe koko o yi ɖe alɔme o dze akɔne dɔdɔ ame be Baba Jamal paa nkeke gbãtɔ le va parliament ko na ya mlɔ alɔme ɖeka gake nkeke mamlɛa nɔnɔ ge enye nya gbãtɔ le mia gbɔ mbe o mia tso viviviwo dzi hafi akɔ yi ɖe nyagãnyagãwo dzi ta Baba Jamal ma kpɔm mi le kple Kingsford Bagbe nye kple dɔwɔsi Joshua Bansa le mia gbɔ Joshua wezo
yo tɔni mezɔ ɖe ŋu ma do agbedi na miaƒe Ewenyigba TV bola osi aple amoyuke ole todom. Nido agbendi na onkata. Baba jama afanya ya rekoma kwebo. Parliament, no glo parliament, amanye devi no wana la fuma. It's a place for serious business. And manya na de etem keke banto iku gere parliament hafi alobafi. Ta enye de kumaglo nebo parliament amanye kodi kwe. If you mean serious business, you have to be up and doing. Baba jama ema mede amantoju mede pefumeton haju i ekwe lodola lo followers a encourage be ejijo echo ike onama evangel.
Okay, kama bia baba ayenye shibanto ama call it don parliament amme ikenye member of parliament I call it don parliament Mrs. Sama enya mabanto mama
Meyenye amabanto ya oga ke banto ikena ya you must prove yourself. Menye alodopo makra maybe ever mebo air condition ko si dareju so bo kra
air condition
allergy menye be na ko akodan kamu akobo ka vote ami wo ntofia mami ajidege ode ta recommend jipone bo ne ko be next time ke waga get the parliament is a place for serious business. They don't even tolerate alododo le fumakra.
Interesting. Mi agwameka po picture ora ke mi ke amaru gwembe de hi de time mi. Okay. Ela le electioneer na ma ano ayi okatazam ano vutuma mo eyoko ga bi fia do hia mo ga le finu fiaro honorable enye wala kanu honorable nye campaign o enye do no preto oro maron ku jibe last week Felix Oposu kwa chi blogger yezo mo ire yo kwa ntoma po ike o nale e kakata voleshi da the evaluation go 500 cities da be ko jami ala o gadiago o blogger da do ma hia makpombe do ma hin lo de di tenchia vo hene la le kadi what's the way forward amioke no na frame we na male honorable wona male nkini agbo na me okata
Yo akwe fia ekude honorable ntogbo amoye konno na frame kedo manya gadimo le hafio adan dodo adeku no na yoje business adego abe business so bore tamina osa kanenya ko honorable kata na yakwa honorable afia afotokwe kamado ha egata kwe wono na flimento
ta afima no na unyonya
Tony magloba
ebe photosu okay miape honorable member of parliament office le shile wafia tamaro amutu to na filuka ka ha ko ta no jeje and nka jinyele I am MP or lieutenant organizing to alo
Tony akbe ya madaba MP ko kafia baga ha le SC automatically
and again mo susu na ma
won to kwa woni as MP fia ko viet le tel
abi won to pa gbano no ha
ncho mekpo honorable John Dumelo eno ga soji ebe na parliament
John Dumelo
ekpo le filling station abia we picture the document bola fi the flu ele ga soji na gedo wato aswap nenema kemi ami antoni akpo agbano no menye they don't need to live a luxury life, very simple life. Atando ga so parliament kuna de moto do fiakra atando ya parliament fa ya magbena na ko ke convoy be sia be convoy ya ami akpo do ya gava
kana vuaranga fortunate
o mena kuku ele ga so ji akọ pomo onu abo ye kra
le ko ra nya
wa megedo onye onu abo na fia megedo onye
e bia ba mado because ne le mado kware ko
le ko le long sleeve me ku on bicycle.
So, when you make a malo, you're a mock attack, give me eyeball, none of common. Maybe, pick it more over from my leg. Do more when I will is like, I know it's a manalo, I have put 2 my I was soon 2 moments. Type you got so who go parliament.
Am I at the
I love if you are movie parliamentary or Paris your day. Attack via also my down to for the parliament. Wow, video picture on your blame. Come Katan let the electoral on of the way
oh, yeah.
Dumalonya mind what with them. There's a risky but I'm not so doom. You must be blonde. A British over Kistama Hagbona, Mfuga, less local parliamentary. A full simple economy. A rocker bench. Guru at the end of corner back, which I never have pack with you. Enter my punyalo. If I pack with you, much chomo in other. Miss a roco corner train. Kaka security, la fumo, all a very tight.
Yeah.
And Maracamo Vure. Jigera woman for the Doma County and more. Do you understand? I work a municipal chief executive of here. Convoy, no, no, show. In talk over here. Because in a way, Michoba Mionto, Mian Family, a Hoinvie, Mionto Miadoma, Moye. Eque, what was suchi to understand where Markham and people have an point to bow. Nena parents in nam gak parents honorable nam gak parents I don't know but not John Molo Mauke Akpeni Akamakayo is just to attract votes, my friend.
As you said, I am it's just to attract votes.
Yeah, it's just I'm a vondo little. I'm a vondo. Anyway, so many have a first story. Me a joy Korea flash so du koklola mi khogbana re abakoshira gbagba ba do to Felix Ofosu bachinchi but koklola mozo ganka ka Thomas Zog ayire Korea ke du koklola ba do so mi akpo yo no tata lo yo hua da John Dramani Mahama eva do yevudu come de die and it's a nice thing. It's a nice thing. Only God of honor, only bubu, other won't you find, but I won't pepper. So we've seen on our screens President John Dramani Mahama in Korea. All of Onami Nyacho, Jubilee House, the popular battle that ye, Adoja Papula, Ghana for. Do my view a good dogo, so it's not just about him. So this is a message from the president. So President John Dramani Mahama has arrived in the Republic of Korea to undertake a series of official engagements. During his visit, he's expected to hold bilateral discussions with President Lee Jae-myung and meet with the Speaker of the National Assembly, Woo Won-shik. The president has arrived safely, and America go don't set up Korea president Lee Jae-myung, open National Assembly alo Parliament, the Speaker of Parliament in Woo Won-shik. Lee Jae-myung Woo Won-shik, America do from the all right, so further engagements will include interactions with Ghanaians living there, studying and working in South Korea, as well as a dinner meeting with business leaders and chief executives aimed at promoting investment and strengthening economic ties with the two countries. Looking at visit here,
President Zoma, Kefia Bedagbe. The Kumakwebo Mount of a Asineno, Yamaji, where Avali Yoke, Dimled Comama, the Care Magava Alroy, Allo Demo, Aqua, Yatamagbo. Look at the word the Choma, and look at the local Choma. President Famos of the Alcomanyambo that way. The Comiano Mon perform a Nedo Mia view le Korea la Fuma. Niko enya tokiado now le Anibamaji. Nega dejipo na bo. Gana ntofifia ile no dodo. Tamadidu. Nusia no aso. You know bena yoga trova pe ha. No va pe ha. Everybody will never regret.
Me trova pe you never regret.
Yeah.
Like Ghana, un poco ci mango ognuno la Ghana pa.
Oh, eso so good.
No, you might be a much of sola.
Oh, my dear, I can I pongo where do now. We are making waves. We are making good moves. Yeah.
All right, yo, enyade domora, enyara domora. Miapa mpolo dokumi enyaolem VVV mi tom nyao deka. Ba mi foncho na gbanto mi blanye papa jama pa koloko don mari le fiado manye enyare kenya nyama kaka maru ha boblombe na mama lisesi mala document I participate in parliamentary discussion it is just like me for tuhem nam akama viral don anya jeshibe jiru doko gararo jiru doko doma gangaro alomako aloko dona na jiru doko ro fiakra ha akwobe loto kuno mamona pepa jifu eta mi jonya mame daka le nyao nya tefoma acho ko dak mama mi ba jo ire korea du comment ko proper of ma ebe go don business community American business people, American she, Tepo, or American Chashi, and you go to Gamokata, you go do my own coffee, and I don't put your president. President, Korea president, you go to give a play. I don't go speaker. I think Ghana view you to come maha, you go to give a play. Suku view, blood to my view, I don't work your bubble and your tower. Yeah. So mia azorango ejeshi councilor Lutrota
Marakui
nke na nyachom
ma jeshi banye mawama
o maba monya pastor
Marakui na mawu anyima no afuma ga ke tombo ba mawama yakwo ede mi awe ne
that be pastor nye
Marakui
ke ngira afuma ya pastor
o yo nene Gake ke ko to na nye be councilor menya menya na bi le councilor me tutu ga kenye menya bo ma kwa me to ye
Councilor Lutrot.
Yes, please.
But we don't talk about okay. Ghana Police Service, Criminal Investigations Department, PO Box 505 Accra, 10th March 2026. In case of reply, okay, so press release. Police arrest serial George Carstensen Lutrot over alleged viral insightful comments. Police arrest serial George Carstensen Lutrot over alleged viral insightful comment. Even called the governor, governor, God is perplexed of serial George Carstensen. Mpolo banadele mi apeti vioji ike mi hocho bovito wano mo yoke kwang alo drum domagagbo. The Criminal Investigations Department (CID) has arrested serial George Carstensen Lutrot, also known as Councillor Lutrot, over comments made in a viral video allegedly inciting some youth to storm the residence of the late high life musician Daddy Lumba. Police investigations indicate that the suspect made some comments in relation to issues surrounding the late musician, which are considered offensive and capable of causing a breach of peace. He has since been granted bail, but will be put before the court on Wednesday, 11th March 2026, on the charges of offensive conduct conducive to breach of peace under Section 207 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29, and inciting violence under the Criminal Offences Act and Public Order Act 1994, Act 491. Signed, Chief Inspector Bridget Babanao, Public Relations Officer, Criminal Investigations Department, CID. Meko lutro tanto picha da me kako ocho mone bo mi meje si lutro to tama onya lutro tanto ni o de hanko fashini no I don't understand dojebo long poko nya amaya dojebo da hanko fashini but now criminal investigation department o ko donyu la ba o mlo message ami ka tutu o ble free ka ko magle o garamo akana ko video apire ngi blom lo ba so ko no wa gare that room ba no huru o ko pe nchi la abo di that room ba re ba ko ya go nsemi ta bobi to ko do ba pe nya gbom la ata damone so ko ba wo ma je ka ja ro ma o sen ma no sen yema ta ba lu trote ma Councillor Lutrot. The question about me no chom the karaka. I may only the handcuff ashini to hear. What only fine?
What only?
The handcuff of that shini.
If you are boy, I must say my kid that said you have a handcuff, my boy.
Or a carriage.
Kunyo, and that's a giaco. But I'm your pastor. Edanye nuka edasejia kwa povito eje nubato jibana woko na no lewo yako asika yako manto ya kunyu wanto efiana no ama den non mama kwa
eno makwa
makwe
owo nyamu ma mia troba mama tabe na no mama kwa
anu stronger ne manyanu fokwa no de no mama na dogwa alebaba no le no dada po a ano do ku ma afia po mu ta hia do ya je be wa afia no gbeto to na no ma you have to learn the hard way na mo be asro na na do ko afia no nya video ko akosro no aya ma meble na ne kekra
nya le yesusuma magblem ye magboglom be to ma dujo akanyi na councillor Lutrota mi kata mi je shi no download na mo ano ya TV enya mare ke matan abu elele ma sson egbe eta le law ma ogla be self recognizance bill ebe ba amount pepela manchi ke miata recognize ama ta into le dem gbanoro kita no da shinshi ama mo no bill o le quarter otagba bo bank nyako na glo so ho mi o mi ale abo so ho ma ba we o ba gbe dadi lumba pe gate o ma ye ma ke na o ke no ba ku dadi lumba no ti kana do cho ma da popo e po mi aba to fia ho na pon na o nko na di aba mi tv an fia mi won de do nglo aka ma ro fia o ka no ma jun plus ba ko sira vo ma gba yo fa ko kata na di e pe na de fia o original minister nwe ojuna ajuamo kaka ko be onkona di kapa nyankona di nyanko di ye nyetete boy ke mawo ma de dadi lumba o magbi mwa de nyama ma mawo pa ma dadi lumba yo gbe yo no gbe yo ha yo ji yo strong yo de plenty nyama klo ire yo kefike ka manye be we no blow ye kwe na number ntwi ai na nwioma alo chuba nya bro nyatepo do blom la nyatepo ba mo no ba ho ma lo susuma
toni akpa wonya ya nyuma khudama tututu na nyema kwa ma lo council kwa anya yiko na bro ye eji wadaji puna ma yo jebeno ano do domla no gbasia ba nya ka wonu yi akwa anya ka fako enya ka daji ponama
nyama de bon fuajiolo mabe charge a formula ni ali
okay
like moge nyama wo enya ve la court mawoge intention to commit a crime bla ameke we Gravity, they are not the same.
Okay.
Bapuga. Ba make a shikoro boya of one of the duma. Let's say, but they are not the same.
Okay.
Soho, bigger, that lumba papa. Soho, no way. Soho, yamatao. But I'm going to say, Denkata. Ta yolia alekako or abe like we are weaponizing the law. Abe fifia o IGP kafun o CID boss kafun ta nkekeko media kan ba gare ni amafu ko bo mo ba po nyaada kala nyamori ta yi ko biam le bedi handcuff the dashini a cho the picture do here. Merakwenya go say me mekra jibo na mi su kokko me ba drum ya ma e conclusion ara kama ni na mo you understand this is not a criminal o nyeminya na be amekata chukwa shi o nyen susu kwemaro daka mkporo tadem nya fa jero roma nya ka pom ya posura plus 23242 670 counselor minye ebe no photo wo na mpunto to na be agbro nyom plan to for nya ro na agoma nya oblon by heart an kaka okay
Wow.
Anyway ta mi azora ngro that no bonya do kamea
That man to cry ke magavali odi. If you be afia de na fala. Epe nya wale di diapa. My counselor me nya ya to buji be na coffee afi. Ale bonya o. Me so nam tutu. Enya me jelo wa vakra, me jelo wa va me kracho. Ama ya no pa gbe. Jiha dengo. Chadu. Montepo. Ye ma overview magavali o divoire. Enya sema enu se enya iko glofia na so he de da for wa o mafia agbelen gbede
na so ya so say ebe me a lawyer o minyo ga manye senyala mi o minyo gaka la nyanya tepoma unko stromi kata mile akon fiare unko stromi kata mile ta anyway mia anoponda ka ni ma bia fianya ba fifia ole enkori counselor mema ta no nkani fia no hatuni lo nkpokpo chinwa
le nkpokpo nyam ti fia to he ke kwa he ne kwenye ba no ho ega ho ma adele sine ko word cover do ya next time alo ngeke bubu anebe ya konu a anyaleke wako akoko ni alo bode lai wonye ye ega nye no kolola enya ya me carriage be ke tutu enya dada egboro nya dada ta no ahoga viara le sikwa wa akonya makoku
ohoga mege fe ohoga la figa
ahoga le counselor si
la kota
mrekwe nenya apie
ya de do le sembo di amade opoma se do le na ma le Ghana fia
ogbolo ne bo di da fama ogbolo ne ya
when you don't know, that's not the answer you give to me. That question may be out. I am going to say me baba do le sembe e pe ba do akata mi anko sanwon stroncho mi agbo do le sembe wa di amade papa ma ye ma bo blomba de wodi
okay
that the number de papa mo
okay
baba biamba de le sembe wa di amade papa ma in general e biamba
ne mata global ma lesson no eyi ne mata global lesson no
okay banale mi agbo let's just do something quickly the spiritual overlord of the Ghana state, the Bobu Bulomo, Wo Lumo, Kono, Nyumo, Bokete, Lawe, Churu, Nkonya, Nkosuba, Kakonya se, Wo Lumo, Kono, Nyumo, okay, Numo Manya Nyumo, Apiabaya Machishi, Bokete, Lawe, Churu has summoned Mr. Victor Kofi Owusu, aka Ebusha Penny, to back to his palace in Nungwa over reports of the alleged burial of Daddy Lumba in his private residence at East Legon. Ta Mikbo poster make a postema Sika official. Okay, it's a verified handle. Nyata de TV aji. Kemiakbo balanda. Summons to appear before the Bobu Wolomo Shiche, 10th March 2026. This letter serves as a formal summons requesting your presence before War Lumokuno Nyomo Bokete Lawe Churu, the Bobu Wulomo Shite, and the spiritual overlord of the Ghana. This summons arises in connection with reports and public concerns regarding the alleged burial of the late Charles Kojo Fosu Daddy Lumba at his private residence located in East Legon, Accra. The matter has generated significant sentiment and concerns among sections of the Gadangwe people, and it has consequently been brought before the spiritual overlord for clarification. As the family head, Ebusuapenyi of the late Charles Kojo Fosu, your presence is required to provide the necessary explanation and engagement on the matter in accordance with customary protocols and assist in addressing the concerns raised. You are therefore respectfully directed to appear before War Lumo Kono Nyumo Bokete Lawe Churu at the Nungwa Palace, Bobu Kona, on the stated date and time. Your cooperation in this matter is highly expected in the interest of maintaining harmony, respect for tradition, and peaceful resolution of the issues raised. Okay. Naza Mulaba Odi Daddy Umbara, me as a journalist, I can stand on this and say El Ewobe Odi Daddy Umbari Papa. Eh, my baby, I'm ready to do this, sir. Majesty. Okay. Mele Sango Body America Ghana, the Pelicon Oka, Assembly of bylaws or designated Kumoba bearing ground, a rebelling ground, Amadi, Bamaku. No, what the door, as you walk over a door, where a doia, Tomea at the 6 feet, or power or concrete water. I cannot make dim the offer my Amarata woman. Fast connection. Overflee, Amaro the fridge man, overlay, how you monitor. Amaro Mobu, le Tapradi girl, so ye former CID boss. Basareba, obey Opo, later over the latrine ma. Ta, Nanya Manoy if you be as a journalist without recourse to any law, without recourse to my banner, I must be able to say that it's a lawless act. Namakua, a living ground, Nyarama joint jole, back over the two so here. Obo none of my work, Povito Namakwe. Because na Povito, we order none of the picture or measurement to Funareka like Bamafma, Povito Vale, Kofuna, Oko Jama people, Makola, Mamma Daho. Dakaniye, the do Wamamako, Ekochoy, Nabo, Yevienne, Akuta, Ekonaba, the Dura, Komako, dear. You have concealed evidence, which is even another crime on its own. You have concealed evidence. Everything we cover avogma, perojing jiwa and baglareji. I just over quote the queta, nyanya, nyemafia no government de lutra jugaka. I'm thinking that the ways the CID is acting in this matter. And you menuba marcano fumba no yamarava home. So no yamarava mova who I'm a kukunima that shanya. Daka alika kuvito me alemi. Au handcuff them abeke hardened criminal ronya monya kpona nyanya no afia kra na neta no phone radio ifia o tv ifia ko nyana job oval ngane handcuff de gam na be you turn me jimle central police station ye ma chu e ma zon me na re fo me le nya do makpo me na nka be handcuff de na for what but nyemanya na lutrot ha eto nsem eroki won amadan fufu mo e ma ha nyemanya Emma Hanyemanya. Dakea add the picture. This is where the issue is going. Add the picture. I call that a duagbo. I wrote that a duagbo in Yanka. Nyama Pama go on some more. No value of you as a journalist, but blue yarn, I want to blow. I thought Joram Shamaji. Yes, because in law, everybody is a potential criminal. Everybody. Tamarumion, I don't know, any crime like in Manya. But so I'm not imposing my view on anybody, but a picture that the people handcuff ma. I expect very Olama at the police station, yes, me the picture. I got that I can handcuff to prove what point, but police will do. I'm not getting that. So anyway, my whole comments on that, Cody. So let me give you the opportunity.
Lanya tepa maneva vama ba odi lumba de papa make wabia ba AM to che no agade enya manwa makabakaba. Ala abale kana bula ke majaga jikra manya po.
Onto ko coaching de any be na mana po di de papa ma wonto. Apo ya me odi amadi. Apo meme odi amadi. Apo meme odi amadi. Kono ba joba me o mo di o me de tua oyito alo gamelo se nya ba marodi na ire agbogba cemetery chome pobo ba di amada o mo do pe o okay e fe ba amana na ke mo no show ba ya ko wa dwan gba yi o mo to mo no inota do ko cho adakare ko o shiango yare me kalo yi ko amene ne ko yi mo se amedi pante ama ba mo ene amaro kanu pure marake mo lo shikra povito kwa mo vore case manchio amoma na kwekweko ahajijima no mi eko badi yo dide achiko ko turetefa akmonvia even so no vanya apomede what about that you see Mr. Case na ko be amada wu esfran yo strong yeah strong here yo dia go whatever the area ban so I asked for burying the house. But I'm should be outrightly condemned.
It's a no-go area.
Because meals coming for fuel, everything was public. Well, when I could pay Piano, is about the What young name? As well.
Abaleko Balena Umatatua, Benevakbo again. Again, fear. And that for man never go and let me out and no that down there and your mount Benabu Negaba Jola Pamo. A chonanya achieve a short lay a pama over the ball of fear café boat. But a less son no go over La Pama.
If you had that job, I'm a man, a work she don't at home, but a baby mela.
I am to no nana AM in touch and get a yam. Wakuma ni what the two. Fafana Vane Catamiano.
Yo, comment so, I'm all do comments or Racho Nyanchero. I'm all comments or Racho Nyanchi. Mapo, I'm all comments. But they said when you die, you finally rest. Meanwhile, Lumba is going through a whole afterlife scandal cycle. This man doesn't even get a grace period. Okay, the world of compassion. If Ghana Police Service is a serious institution, DL family members should be subjected to investigation right now. The man was murdered. That is my theory. Oh, wow. I don't know. I'm going to message you on this matter. Me, I trend in Twitter. If this is true, Tupac didn't do well. Since when did we start burying people in our backyards? Cemeteries are there. I might have a comment on this very issue on Twitter. I thought the comments of Goma. I'm no the never come fine. But if the reports are true, then tradition and culture will definitely demand answers. Ghana traditions around burial are serious matter. This isn't something people joke with. Okay, grace unspeakable message. These are some of the comments coming on this matter. But the Ghana state takes tradition seriously, especially if it concerns prominent figures. If this is just a rumor, it shows how quickly misinformation spreads on social media. Summoning him to the palace shows that traditional authorities play a strong role in society. So these are some of the comments coming in. My whole final words on this ko mia azorembo. Miaga akpo nyare karera ko mia awushwam. So let's get the comments.
Masamon kwa ya madak na mi afa en pola be. Owe wo de kaklimi. Mesi agbono yijino ano Ewenyigba TV pom. Na bana mi awe glo na wo de na to.
Yeah.
Then that you ma fenya ya nwa na enye be enya lem ya akwa no kuma nyi ye gagboro mo le na e me ha na gede mo
Okay, me gbe
mere ku afika o jebe na di luma na mo le fa jina je makwa makogbo no awe apa me no gbo ba pa mo odi do ya nya me do meje gaji kwa meje gaji na mi o manya kpoche manya so
question anybody no bad jofia but over do kweji be because koko kwa it's nya le mabi fira kama mano la pa beta nya mano o da di ba o am your celebrity ya o to o show phone so makacha de data to support fee ko di that the lumba do it's never going to be difficult to know kafifia ni bia me no bad job lu trot pa nya agbomo le elema nka ogola
kagba je be profito wa de kuna afoto ya
afoto nka luchota lucho wa de kuna banka ba nya ogbro ni ka ta olam ye be so he elema body and I'm sure body de ba me I don't gas data again where wolomo almost summoning on an issue and you think they'll do that without evidence? If you're not Jonah Jenana, if you're how much Jonah Jenana without evidence, I mean, it should be a big joke. It should be a big joke on the part of the Ghana Police Service, but if you're money, that should be a big joke and fantasy. I don't think that should be the conversation. Nika, mommy miller refian, but oh, be Adandemuna saw you, but nobody that is the lawlessness because. That the Lumba is a property of of the Lumba family. Yes. Okay, Fosu family. Yeah. That Lumba ever stage name that Fosu Fuma ye that the Lumba Fosu Fuma to ye. Tana me kuha fume ke mocho ye o trochona mana. But we are going to say that nobody Luchobo Masoyo no who that the lumba is an act of lawlessness. Okay.
And it is illegal.
It's because Nchila Pumato, Kodoba Huyoma Hunyo, who at the pamphlet, a bondidi, a dead bula Pumakataji, so a Yamonya Valley. O diamade papame, Namaje so, Malasamu, Majabo ha, Majabo saw hill. Na wacho pikas ble koji ble toko aba fuma hey no ta no ga oga afia be assembly wa momo khaloshi onya leke o te pa oge o te pakata protect ha da do ran owo man nitili ke
afia on toko wa ga de mo ko pa na fuma
ble yi o mo ga ma do manyan kakam aka ne padi anya glon lutro nya glon ko so ya man dia ba ga gbo ka ma. So I think that is where the police come in.
Exactly.
And that I want Ewenyigba. So anyway, comments, more comments coming in. Meatball comments are Jefferson Bear. So who gave him such names?
Black.
I don't know. Enoch, he said many things. So which one called for his arrest? Is it where he used the if clause? If so, then it means he only erred in trying to fight criminality in aggressive manner. Otherwise, he's called to exist. I'll read your comment. This guy is making an intelligent. Every day, he said many things. Which one called for his arrest?
Okay.
Is it where he used if clause? Everybody look up no, never. We can pull that video. No, never. What did they ever from Microsoft? No, by that if clause I tell them, you know, and law if anyway, if will still work anyway. So let's leave that. Now me and your name, Agbokabe. When you talk too much, it lands you into trouble. All right, thank you for that. I put my apple but I'm pretty much. Okay, Kingsley Bear, why do you blur the face of very famous TV and radio star? Do you get it? It's a socialite. When you're married, Tanka, Ahanta, Choma money. Can't offer that senior Buma, young Chow. I said, no, you do look up on Moja. You're the police station. I look chat crime officer, I look Ghana police station. Nana Jama, I look Povito, you see this kind of thing. Tamarode, Mimagano, Miracle Blambo, Miracle Charge IGPA, Vapor. Nanya Povito Crado for Hline. Hello, as a government, you the picture, you Moja is better than handcuffing the person and blurring the face. For what? Because the person is very popular already. Prof. Dikibe, you have met your meter. Meter killing him over. Robert looked at some spade, but good call. Freedom of speech doesn't mean you should behave anyhow. All right. Koku Blue Jelam for some time. Joko. Robert, but he is well known. So why the blurring of the face? Not the same thing. Okay, Barnabas, but public order act is not applicable in this circumstance. Well, yeah, I'm not a lawyer. Ketibe, you covered Councillor Luchard face. Who know William Wooly, but chai, I never knew his real name. I don't know. Testing. Nine. Okay, Kofi Luma. Okay, Luma. Yeah, Kofi Luma. How do you handcuff someone who comes thereby? I think you are saying himself.
Oh, okay.
Or he's a hardcore criminal.
Oh.
And poster. No, and post. I think he's trying to say, how do you handcuff someone who came there by himself? As if he's a hardcore criminal.
That was your point you were making.
Oh, you see, I can't handcuff him. Ocho won't to me in a court fear. A man calling her Gang Rojo Monona, Cordelina.
Yeah, especially in
my Plato handcuff. I mean, if you feel Umaga handcuff more, Bramobapong media. Lawyers are only so what Avia, you're not shown now more like I can do not handcuff. Why? Won't you me feel what I see too? Pepper, machine by Corocidabo, my way, my bag. Just some of the people, you don't treat them like it's not necessary. As if you are weaponizing the law. You are punishing the person from police. police oje to na mafia ba ire prison.
Police on to get all of mafia question mark hello.
Sure. You do the right thing because Jiru Trona Hajora Mashamaji about the handcuff your pumpkin of you.
I'm quite that
Never that. Mumble no, have you ever do that by a shoe? A rock was wrong.
Oh, proud.
All right, many comments coming on this matter. Interesting. Majiji go at me when I choga kwachi for Indiana and ya Tony McBoy. Ye plumbing, Magbajamba. Okay, more messages. So, Charlie, more messages. Magakne, the Kalmavare, Equiabare. I think he has said before that the police department should look into what killed Lumba, since there's been alleged incident stories that led to the musician's demise.
Okay.
That one did not see any action from the police, or Ghana police did something and we didn't hear. Please educate me. Maybe there's something I don't know. Is an ask, please. Okay, Danny, but I thought it was a joke. Oh, joke. Police Olamaru. Oh, they don't see it as a joke. Okay. Derek, the guy. Yeah, fine. All right, so I mean that's that. Nyapang Paula Venga TV Pandiona for Sarupanya, Tony Magbanya Plomi. No more way, and Waga Kachoma Gamia Bonoga, don't Kujiba Mille. Venga TV Facebook. Nyapa comment so Ottawa Fuma anytime, Mikatami Koga Achne, Nebe Adol Mapona, Jibak Premianchi, Lemiapa Budo on him, a Jiba Mona Semianco, Mika now Kunyana Gremiaji, Le Venga TV Fuga Hostela Fia, I love Nyaparamulo Bulu, Doonam, and Yakple. Dohachi, Joshua Bansan, Christian Abo, but keep up the good work. Thank you, Christian. Do not Augustine about some work. Thank you for your message. Mary, good morning to you. Mr. Tony, good morning to you as well. So many comments, but we have to go now. Thank you. Dark Banana Dohachi, Mamma, King Dom, Mauku, Yoka, Nomagonam, yeah, Fople, and Nomatatawaru Miabo. Tamananami, Miava, bye bye.
They pain them everything. Hey, see, they go they pretend say they love you. They go they call for mouth, they sweet they call. I say they go they smile for front, they say they love you. Hey, they go they spoil for back, they say they love you. Hey, jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Jealousy, 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 oh, everywhere. Montier, oh, Montier, Kokonsafo, Montier.